This video from Sam4S Help, we're looking at using the discount buttons in the reg mode on the ER900 series of registers. So this model's the 940, but the process will be the same across the range, although your keyboard might look quite different to mine. So if you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I've pre-programmed these buttons. If you haven't programmed your discount buttons yet and you want to, I'll put at the end of this video there'll be links to a couple of the programming videos, then this video will make more sense. So the discount buttons can work in a variety of ways. I've got mine both to be preset to give percentage discounts. So my %1 button here is an open discount button, but it is a percentage and it works off each individual item. So if I want to give a 5% discount off a particular item, as soon as I've entered that line of the transaction, that item, I press 5 and then the percentage button. Again, a 2% discount, 2, then into the %1 button. You can set the buttons to give value discounts rather than percentage discounts. Mine are both set to be percentages. So my second button, so there's a £100 sale, my second button is preset to give a 10% discount off the total transaction, so that button will only work after subtotal's been pressed. So I cash that sale off. If I just, yeah, subtotal required, so it only works, that button is preset. If you don't want it to work that way, you can reprogram it, and that's why I think watching my programming videos will help you out. So I'll just run that by you again. The %2 button on my machine is preset to give a 10% discount, but it only works after pressing subtotal. I might cash that sale off. I'll just show you how it shows on the receipt. Actually, on the receipt you get my discount button is pre-programmed to be a member discount, so it says member. Without the programming, yours probably just says %1 or %2. So it shows the percentage discount at 10% and the value of that discount. I'll just use the other one. So the other one is set to be off item. It's an open discount, so I could get 50% off that item. And again, print the receipt out. The description is open. You can program it to be whatever description you want. The rate was 50%, as you saw me put in, and that led to a £5 discount. So how does that look on your end of day report? I'll just do a non-resetting X report just to show you what they look like. So there's the %1 and the %2. What I'll do is I'll show you a video. I'll post another video showing you how to edit these descriptions so they tie up better with what's on the what's on your till receipt. Pop the key back to reg. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. As I say, we've got plenty of other videos which will be appearing on screen now, a couple of which showing you how to program the buttons, and then another one showing you how to edit the description on the report so that it just ties everything up better. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can also visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.